Now, in my point of view, I think that a person who I saw in a video might be one of the luckiest person on earth. And I said might be, because this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a motor vehicle that has been operated by someone crashed into a motor vehicle. And I mean that as the motor vehicle parked at a location or arrived at a location and stopped during subscribers, and at least one person got out of the motor vehicle, the other motor vehicle crashed in the motor vehicle. The people, take a look at the video for yourself. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. Now, more you look carefully and get some form of understanding as to why I think that person might be one of the luckiest person. See? Look. So one person got out of a motor vehicle. See that? So I'm wondering, what could have caused something like that to happen? What? There are things that I'm thinking about, but I don't have the confirmed information. So I'm wondering what could have caused that. Just be careful out there, see? Manners and respect.